Bitcoin is seeing a little bit of a pullback on the day, being right around $62,000, kind of bouncing as I was getting ready to record this video here. But it is technically in the red. It's down 0.6%. It's not a huge amount. We did have a really nice run up yesterday, and so it's to be expected that there's going to be some sell pressure. The other thing is when we look at the RSI, it is technically in the overbought territory, but a lot of people are really hyped up right now. People are looking at this and talking about it, that it's on that road getting close to hitting the all-time high. And remember, the all-time high was right around $69,000. Yeah, 69. And so if it breaks above that, then we'd be looking at $70,000 all the way up to $75,000. Nice psychological level there. If it decides it wants to pull back, I'd be looking at 60K, again, as a psychological level. And then below that would be right down here at about $56,750. The reason being is that's the Fibonacci retracement. So right now it's in that upper zone, that red zone that you see here. As we zoom out a bit, I want to showcase to you a little something. And we can take a look and see that the previous all-time high, I set that as the far upper left corner of that Fibonacci retracement. And then I use the bottom zone directly below that, and then set up down here at the low that happened during this time period, that baseline. And then we see this gray line, right? This diagonal line that comes across. And what's really cool is look at where we're at right now. If we zoom in on this, we're very close to that. So it didn't tap off of it yesterday, but it was already establishing itself as being very high. So we're coming to a point now where realistically, if this played out, let's just say it pushed it all the way to the very, very limit, then we would be looking at sometime in early April to mid-April. It breaks above that line, that's going to hit the all-time high. Then we go into price discovery zone, and literally the sky is the limit. So right now, I'm not surprised that it has some pullback. There might be some further pullback. Again, I already established to you guys where it could be going. As it is, though, holding above $60,000, I'd say especially if it can stay above $60,000 for 3 days, then we're at a really good position to see further continuation up, trying to test that 69,000 all-time high. So with trends, you want to have ideally 3. That's a very strong base trend. You need at least 2. Right now, closing above $60,000. We've only got 1 day that's done so far. But at $62,000, it still gives some nice wiggle room. I really like how things are playing out with this for sure. There's also an article here from Daily Hodl. I want to go into this in just a second, so that way then you guys can see the potential of what other people are talking about throughout the course of the year, which we're looking at about 237% for the year. So one of the things that you can check out is a crypto exchange called Margex. They have margin trading. I got a referral link down in the description below. You can do up to 100x leverage. So anywhere from 5x to 100x leverage. That is with Margex. In fact, I'll just show you guys real quick here. And so with Margex, this platform gives you a wide range of leverage you can do. If you use my referral link, you can get a nice little sign-up bonus. They got a good collection of different cryptos that you can use already. They do add a little bit more from time to time, like they have Caspa on there now. They have copy trading. You can see what other traders are doing, mimic your trades. They have staking options on there too. There's no KYC for the exchange. And it's available in many different regions. If it's not available in your region, you can use a VPN. That's what many other people are doing. I'm not saying that you should do that. Just saying that that is something that people have done. And that referral link is down in the description below. Venture capitalist Dan Tapiero predicts Bitcoin will explode by up to 237% this year. Here's his outlook. I'll have a link to the article in the description too. The chief executive of investment firm 10T Holdings says that Bitcoin could skyrocket by over 200% this year. In a new post on the social media platform X, venture capitalist Dan Tapiero says the flagship digital asset could appreciate to between $150,000 and $200,000 this year, a gain of roughly 153% to 237% from its current price. I mean, what do you guys think? We're just now entering into the month of March, right? Do you think that 150,000 to 200,000 for one Bitcoin seems realistic before the end of this year? Don't forget the halving event is coming up right around the corner here in like, what, a month and a half or so? According to Tapiero, once Bitcoin rises above 70,000, which is slightly above its all-time high set in November 2022, the Crypto King will quickly skyrocket to $90,000. Bitcoin up almost 100% in 5 months and not feeling frothy. Doubters still everywhere. X, social media platform, even a bit sedate. U.S. short rates are still 5%. U.S. dollar is strong. A Bitcoin shocking acceleration up feels imminent. Bitcoin is trading, they had here 61,412 at time of writing, a 7.5% increase during the last day. Amid the rally that has seen Bitcoin appreciate by approximately 50% from its 2024 low of around $39,505 reached last month, Tapiero says the stock of crypto exchange Coinbase could reach a price tag of $400. Love this chart at $50, at $60, at $80, at $100, now around $190, and looks like it'll head up to $400. Rare that a chart still looks so phenomenal after such a big run. Coinbase doing an excellent job diversifying revenue streams, and coin is trading for about $201 at the time of writing. Last week, Tapiero said that he believes that the Bitcoin bull market is in an early phase. Quote, I think we're in the second inning of this bull market, so I'd be much more concerned and think that there could be problems potentially if I felt we were in the seventh inning, the eighth inning. The bullish consensus at 75 to 80%, I mean, that's an issue, but maybe it just means you have a short-term correction. We're just getting started here. So if you guys want to, you can actually subscribe to their email alerts through the Daily Hodl. This is one example article, but they cover many different things over on their platform. So just taking one last look, again, right around $62,000. What do you guys think? Do you guys think it's going to continue up or it's going to pull back as of right now in the short term on the daily? I think it's pretty likely it's going to hover around $60,000 to $62,000, but that's just my own opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. That's what I got for you in this video. So again, you can find the link to Margex down in the description below. That referral link, get a little sign-up bonus if you sign up over there. If you want to do some trading of other cryptocurrencies, you want to see what some traders are talking about, high-level traders included, you can join the exclusive group through HC Access. This Patreon link is down in the description below if you wish to join that. It's about 2,000 members right now. And my trading bot, you can find the link for that Patreon also down below. Thank you so much to my Patreon supporters. A double shout out thank you to We Love, Victor Vegas, and Worlza Rizvi. Always have trouble with that one. Worlza Rizvi for being a higher level patron. And thank you to my YouTube members for your support as well. God bless. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you're new. Hit that thumbs up like button. God bless. We'll see you in the next episode.